This video is about the San Rafael Reef in central Utah. This reef is similar to reefs in the ocean in that it is a barrier to travel, but in this case the barrier consists of huge sandstone rock formations instead of coral. We are zooming into the crescent-shaped reef marked in yellow. Let's start our drive to the reef from Green River, which is a small agricultural town in central Utah about 30 miles east of the reef along I-70. Even though the town of Green River is in the middle of a desert, it has lush farmland thanks to the irrigation water from the Green River. And here we are at the reef. San Rafael River is the fertile strip of darker land meandering through the desert, as well as Black Dragon Canyon, which I have made a few videos about. The reef is about 75 miles long and represents the eastern edge of the San Rafael Swell. It is composed of steeply tilted layers of Navajo and Wingate sandstone, which have been eroded into very distinctive tall fins, domes, cliffs, and canyons, including slot canyons. The San Rafael River, Interstate 70, and Muddy Creek all run through the reef. There are numerous slot canyons that twist their way through the reef. Among them are Crack Canyon, Chute Canyon, and Straight Wash. Slot canyons are only a few feet wide while being hundreds of feet tall. Just don't get caught in one during a rainstorm. A few of my favorite places in the reef are Black Dragon Canyon, Temple Mountain, and Mexican Mountain. And here is the start of the drone footage. The drone is flying toward the reef at a point just south of Interstate 70. I am flying southwest to the shark teeth fins of the reef. Now the drone is turning toward a more southerly direction so you can get a really good glimpse of the shark teeth from a side view. Here the drone is facing to the north. You can really see the different layers of tilted sandstone, and bear in mind these are about 1,000 feet tall. This is where Interstate 70 passes through the reef. Behind us, I-70 takes us east to Denver, and ahead it takes us to I-15 and then down to Los Angeles. Driving through this canyon is a highlight along I-70. I am sure it is appreciated by the many travelers and truckers that pass through each year. This was my camp last night. It was a little chilly, but quiet except for the occasional truck in the distance. This is the start of the Black Dragon Canyon from the east side. I have been through here dozens of times and I have made a few videos about it. Put it on your bucket list of things to do, but you will need a four-wheel drive. I have another upcoming video I will release about the drive through the canyon, so stay tuned. Here we are looking west into the canyon. Black Dragon Canyon gets its name from petroglyphs that resemble a black dragon. And this is the section of reef north of Black Dragon Canyon. It gets really wide here as opposed to the shark teeth just a few miles south where the reef is less than a mile wide. And this is a hike I like to do up the slab of sandstone, which is at about a 15-degree angle. It's shaped like a wedge where you hike up to the cliff overlooking Black Dragon Canyon. It takes about a half an hour on foot, but less than a minute with the drone. And here we have arrived at the edge of the cliff looking down into Black Dragon. And now the drone will take us back down the slab, skimming the rock back to the start of the hike. So that was San Rafael Reef. Soon I will put up another video about Black Dragon Canyon, so stay tuned.